ready.
Damn.
You're watching Chasing Mr. Hamilton.
One more.
You're watching Chasing Mr. Hamilton.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm putting on my shoes. YouTube, good morning, good morning. Putting on the hat. Because it's damn near 8 o'clock, YouTube. Damn near 8 o'clock, right? And if y'all remember yesterday, I got here early as hell for this preloaded damn trailer out of Cincinnati, Ohio, from FedEx, man. This trailer was supposed to be possibly ready early. I've been here too damn long, so I'm taking my black ass to the office just to remind them that a nigga's still here. That I'm still here, alright? Cause damn it, boy. I mean, I ain't the only one staying posted, but maybe I'm the only one that wanna leave out this motherfucker. How y'all sleep? YouTube, Chasing Mr. Hamilton, the name, trucking is the game. Wallet to get soul is the goal, the heart of a lion, mentality of a hyena. Steady rolling, why? Cause we don't get tired, we get money. Oh, mama, there goes that man. YouTube. Alright, man, let's go do this. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's cold. Whoo! That's that northern weather already, man. And I forgot my hopefully they don't ask me where I'm supposed to be going, because that's the part I forgot. How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing all right, son.
Checking the status of my load also. Somewhere Illinois, if I have the pickup number, that's easier.
Oh, yes, sir.
What?
I think one of these would be
251-6993.
Oh, I don't know. Last time I was here, that was the only one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you said you were Lancaster? Did you say you were Lancaster?
What?
No. I've been here for
Again?
Oh, man, I've been here since like 6 o'clock yesterday, man. So I'm trying to find out what the. Yeah, I'm trying to find out what's going on.
Usually, if you
You
stand
gotta
at
kid
one
me.
of these windows, they'll come.
I've been here since 5 a.m. this morning.
That's why I.
Yeah, they. I got you, man. I got you. Let me answer this nice man right here. Hey, what's up, big fella? Hey, man, I've been here since like 6 yesterday. I'm supposed to have a load going to Kensaw, Georgia, Lancaster. Supposed to be preloaded, and I haven't gotten a call or nothing, so.
It's like 50% down, and so it's going to cut the end, so probably like 9 a.m.
9 a.m., 9:30.
The scheduled dispatch time, I think they might have just sent you here early, because it was scheduled for 7 a.m.
Right, it was, and I showed. Oh yeah.
No, it'll probably be ready in the store like 9:30.
9:30. All right, man. Damn it. 9:30, man. Ooh. Ain't this some shit? $9:30. right, man. I guess back into this cold ass truck. I may actually have to turn my baby on, so what I'm gonna probably do is go on ahead and what I'm gonna probably do is go ahead and handle my pre-trip before I start my truck. You know what I'm saying? At least just make sure my oil is good. I ain't so much worried about the coolant, man, because it's ice out here. So if that engine overheat when it's this damn cold, there's definitely something wrong with it. But I got to check the level of my motor oil. I'll get back with y'all. The kid finally got the car to go get his paperwork. So that's what we're about to do, you too. But first, I got to close my lid on the truck. I think I need another filter oil change, man. I need something. Y'all check this out. This is the like I'm gonna change it again. What the hell? Is that what I think it is? The hell is that? Man, you see it? I'm too young to be worrying about all this shit right now. Okay, that hold on now. Okay, so that oil filter, whatever, water filter, I've changed that before already, right? And literally the day I changed it, it filled back up. I think that thing is just dirty, because when I went and got it changed out, there was all kind of stuff falling in it. I don't think the mechanic got it out all the way. Now, it's not his job to make sure that the damn filter is spotless, but I'm going to just blame that on whoever had that truck before me, because if I'm going to be riding up north, it's not good that the water separator is filling up like that. Or, you know, there's something in there that's not operating correctly. That thing should not be getting full that easy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop by Love's in a little bit and put another set in there, you know, change both of them, the water separator and the fuel filter. Hopefully that helps something. Great, there's a line over here. There's a line, I hate lines. Hate lines. But that's what you gotta do. Be back. All right, we got our routes. We got our trailer. Let's go. We got the load, we got the trailer. Got that hook up in there. Yeah, I always started to check that. I don't trust that shit no more, man. I remember one time I was a company driver, man. I got on that, did the tall test and everything, right? I pulled out as soon as I hit the curve. It wasn't a curve, I hit a turn where I was turning right, man. That trailer started slipping off. Thank the good Lord, your boy pay attention to his rear view mirrors and side marker mirrors and stuff like that, man. Cause I saw it, I stopped, and I was able to get back underneath that thing, man. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. 16 hours later. 16 hours later, we got a trailer. Now I gotta go to the office, turn it in, get my paperwork, and we're out of here. So these people gonna load me 3 hours late, and the first thing the guy tell me before giving me my paperwork is, "You're gonna make it, right?" I said, "Man, I ain't gonna tell you jack. I'm gonna try to make it, because that's the fact. I always try to make my load on time. Always. That's what Chasing Mr. Hamilton do. But you ain't about to load me 3 hours late and trying to pressure me to give you an answer if I'm gonna make it on time or not." Well, paperwork is done. I'm about to pull in this coordinates. About to get out of Kentucky, baby. I should be in Georgia hopefully by tonight. Let's see what happens. Drop and hook, baby. I still got some time. Still got some time on my hours. So it's doable. Let's get it started, YouTube. I hope y'all are good, baby. Thanks for riding along with Chasing Mr. Hamilton, baby. So I'm over here. I'm at FedEx, right? Location is Kennesaw, Kennesaw, something like that. So Kennesaw, Georgia, right? Tell me why. Dropping hooks. I'm hooking up to this trailer, man. All this was in the trailer. All this. It's an open black Camaro. I don't even know what the heck this is, but whatever it was, it's gone. That's open and 8. These are the ones that got me. I kick them out. 2 switch to switch. So, oh, and then this was back there too. That one is good, so I'm keeping that. I do not care. So, anyways, how messy this thing is, man. I'm literally I'm gonna clean it enough to where whenever my next pickup, because I haven't booked another load yet out of here. So my next move obviously is gonna be, look at that. Orange juice bottle. Whatever this was, that's gone. It's a freaking scale, bro. Oh no, it's a jewel device. Not included. Some kind of, yeah, jewel. That was open. That is empty. Man, I guess you gotta have a bonus for walking out a place like this, right? You too. It smells familiar though. It smells familiar. It might be catalyst. I think this is catalyst. Which is a solvent, which is hot as hell if it touches your skin and you're sweating. So I'm getting out of here. Okay. I mean, it's all obviously, it's all over the phone, but I don't know if y'all can see it. Definitely all over the air. Whew. Oh no, that's not the kind I like. This is how I be getting most of my straps back there. Every time I drop off a load, there's empty trailers around. I go look. Oh look, there goes a broom. Can y'all see it? Y'all see this freaking broom? I could have used that. Anyways, what I do, I go look around in trailers that obviously make too much money. Enough money to where the drivers don't really care about getting their straps out. I look for those trailers and I grab them damn straps. Cause the goal is my wallet to get swole is the goal. I need ones that crank. Well, it might not be my lucky day today. Yeah. All they got is that blue kind right there. That's no good for me. Nope. Okay, one last trailer and we're calling it a day. Nope. Alright, well, no straps there we can use. And I got a whole bunch of calluses inside my nose. But I am willing to bet you got people out here apparently smoking weed in the back of these trailers, opening merchandise, giving themselves a nice truck stop bandit discount. Which, you know, like I said, if I was in their position, will I have turned down an opportunity if it present itself? The answer is probably hell to the no, no, no. Nigga, I be out here taking away boxes. Fuck around, I steal the whole trailer. Alright, well, that's as clean as that's gonna get. Close it. And then let's go find the truck stop. Make the next move to my next load. I'll see you in a minute, YouTube. Same procedure, just a different location, man. Hopefully this won't go faster. Yeah. 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 Paperwork on deck. Hey. Hey, so now I gotta stand here, sit here, and see if I can put in another load tomorrow. So that load can go to my paycheck this coming Friday, y'all. Once again, as always, baby, thanks for riding with Chasing Mr. Hamilton, baby. Thank you for coming with the journey. I mean, y'all, this video, you know, it took us from where? It took us from Kentucky all the way to Georgia. Yeah, from Kentucky. By the way, once you become a trucker here, you notice you don't even remember half the places you go to, alright? So it took us from where did it take us from? I'm trying to, alright, so Kentucky. Okay. Georgia, alright. So it took us from 1100 Tubby Drive, Independence, Kentucky, all the way to Kenny Shore. What the hell is the name of the city that I just came from, though? Like, it don't even say the origin. It tells me the city, I mean the state. Anyways, it was 25 miles from Cincinnati, Ohio. Okay, that's all y'all need to know. and we made it all the way to Georgia with me. So I appreciate you tagging along. That's pretty much gonna be the end of this video because I got a feeling it's gonna be long. I'm gonna have to do some editing, you know what I'm saying? But bam, baby. Otherwise, we good. We good. If this is the first time you following the trucker's journey, baby, you came to the right man. Yeah. You slide dog. You slide dog. I see you, man. You chose the best man in the business. Chasing Mr. Hamilton, the name. Trucking is the game. You already know the rest. If not, click on any of my videos. You know the opening line. Anyways, y'all stay blessed, man. I appreciate y'all tagging along. God bless y'all. Be safe out there. You know, use social distancing. You know, do what you got to do, man. Much love. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, man. You already know. Come on. All right, y'all. Stay blessed.